Wow, they're getting ready to pour this end cap. These wing walls, they got them formed up, got rebar in it. And I don't think it's on position, but there may be. But look at that Q deck, ain't that beautiful? Well, they just starting back from a dinner break, and they got that Q decking down. And now they gotta weld it. They got it going on. I think it's been nearly 2 weeks, and 2 weeks ago they didn't have no Q decking even on site, but now they got it down. It might have been 2 weeks since I've been here, and they got a lot done, a lot accomplished. They got some more kick braces there, and you can hear that water rushing through them pipes. Look at that. That's pretty. It won't be long, they'll be having this done poured. Well, I thought I'd make a little short video and show you the progress so far. Pretty good amount of progress in my book. They're moving right along. All right, it's Monday, April, I don't even know if it's 15th or 14th. I'll cut it in maybe. Y'all have a good day.